The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike has set a new record by collecting Rs 4,284.16 crores in property tax by November 30, 2024. This marks the highest ever collection in its history and brings BBMP closer to its Rs 5,200 crore target for the financial year ending March 2025. In comparison, BBMP collected Rs 3,800 crore in 2023 and 3,450 crore rupees in 2022. Officials attribute this achievement to stricter reforms, frequent reminders, and technology-driven initiatives. Actions such as SMS alerts, emails, calls, and sealing defaulters' premises significantly improved compliance. Zone-wise, Mahadevapura led with Rs 1,148 crores, followed by East Zone at Rs 710 crore and South Zone at Rs 606 crore. Other notable contributions included Bommanahalli with 418 crore, West Zone 483 crores, Yelahanka 408 crores, Nagar 335 crores, Dasarahalli 136 crores, Central Zone 36 crores. The collection included 521 plus crore through offline channels and Rs 3,762 plus crore via online payments, underlining the success of digital systems. BBMP officials are confident of exceeding the Rs 5,200 crore target with continued focus on defaulters and timely tax payments.